Good day and welcome to Mastering Dropbox. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Dropbox app for your mobile phone. I'm using an iPhone here. If you're using an Android phone, process is very similar. You just search for it on the Google Play Store and download and install it. And the app should look fairly simple. There may be a few small differences between the two due to limitations of hardware and things of that nature. But for the most part, the two should be fairly close to the same. So I went on the App Store and searched for Dropbox, and the first one that was available is Dropbox. Obviously, I'm going to go ahead and download that now. The app only has 3 out of 5 stars, but to be honest with you, I like the app. I haven't had any issues with it, so I don't have any complaints. I use it whenever I need to. The only complaint I guess I would have if I had to come up with a complaint is when you're going through your photos, like when you're going through a list of files and you wanted to find something, the thumbnail is very, very tiny. This is very hard to see. But other than that, I don't have any problems with this app. So I'm just going to scroll through this while it's installing here so you can have a quick look through it. Pretty basic app. Let me see how big it is. Last update on the 31st of January, and it's 91 megs. So the app itself is not too big, it's only 91 megs. One thing that brings me to a second complaint on maybe why I would not give this a 5-star rating and definitely deserves 3 or 4 stars is when you're using Dropbox, when you have it installed on your computer, even if I only use it to access a file every once in a while that I need to get access to, or, um, well, that's pretty much it. That's the only time I use it. And I have it set up to automatically upload my photos. So any new picture I take on my phone will automatically get uploaded to my Dropbox, which is the biggest feature that I like about it, and pretty much one of the only reasons I keep it on my phone. But the problem that I have, the biggest complaint, is that as Dropbox stays on your phone and as you use it more and more, it gets massive. It gets pretty big. I've deleted Dropbox and reinstalled it a dozen times because it just grows and grows and grows and grows and grows. And there's no way of making it smaller until you delete it off your computer and put it back on again. So to me, that is a big flaw. There should be some way in there to find out what's using up the space and decide on not using it. Because phones don't have a whole lot of space on them. So you don't want your app to be using up all of your space. So that would be my biggest complaint and my reason to give it 3 stars like it has. And maybe that's why other people have given it 3 stars. But the fact that it starts taking up a lot of space and I have to delete the app every once in a while and reinstall it to keep the space at a minimum is something that's a bit of an inconvenience for me and a bit of an irritation, to be honest. So that's it. The app's installed. I'm going to go ahead and launch it here now. All right. So once the app is launched, it's going to give you the option to sign in, it gives you the option to sign in with Google, sign up if you don't already have a account, or if you already have an account, you can sign in with your email address and password. Now, I signed in with Google the last time. I signed up with Google. I'm hoping it gives me the option because I have a couple of Google accounts, so I'm not sure which one it's going to recognize. If it doesn't work, then I'll have to go back and do it the other way, but let's just see. Yep, I have it here, so I'm going to go ahead and choose the one that I just used to sign up with Dropbox. And go ahead and sign in. Alright, so now we're here on the Dropbox interface, and as you can see, we have our options along the bottom, and we have a notification on the top right hand corner, and we have the settings on the top left. When you first install it, it gives you the thing here, says new, tap here to add files to Dropbox. I can choose that, and I can scan in a document. So if I have a text document, I can take a picture of it it will scan it and upload it to Dropbox for me. I can upload photos, or I can create or upload a file. Right now, I'm not going to do any of that, but I'm just showing you. Recent is same as what I mentioned online. It's any recent files that you've added, edited, viewed. They'll all be here, as well as any recent files that gets uploaded through your camera upload features there as well. If we go into files, it shows all your files in your Dropbox, all your folders and everything. Just like when I showed you on the Windows Dropbox client, the desktop client, we only have one file here in Dropbox, and as you can see, that file is listed here as well. As well, when we went online, same thing again, this one file is here. So as you can see, your Dropbox, anything you put in Dropbox is available on all of your devices, on your mobile device such as your iPhone, on the web interface if you're not home, or on the desktop client. Photos, this will allow you to organize your photos. Sorry for that, I'll blur that out. This will allow you to organize your files onto your, we're in photos. I got distracted by the text message. This will allow you to view your photos. It's a nice gallery. And if you notice here, it says turn on camera upload. That's the option where any pictures you take from your phone will automatically go into Dropbox and get uploaded. And if you have it on your computer, it automatically gets synced to your computer. It's a great place to keep your backup pictures, especially if you like me, I don't carry a camera. So my phone is my primary source of taking pictures. Now, if you were out on vacation, as an example, or whatever, and you took pictures with your phone, and then your phone gets stolen, well, wouldn't it be nice to have a backup of those pictures? Well, if you turn on camera upload, it will upload the pictures to Dropbox when you take them. I don't have a lot of data on my phone, so I choose to only upload it on Wi-Fi, but that's your choice on how you want it to upload. This option right here is offline. Unlike the desktop app, which keeps everything in sync, your phone doesn't keep everything in sync because you don't want 2, 3, 4, 5 gigs of data synced on your phone at all times. So the app pretty much gives you access to those files, but they're not really stored on your phone. This option here, it allows you to store the files on your phone. So if you have a PDF, like a book or a PDF that you're reading, you can have it stored on your phone for offline viewing. So you can access this information when you're not on the internet, when you don't have access to a cell phone signal. So it's great to keep files on your phone that you need to access when you don't have good Wi-Fi signal or good cell phone signal. So that's pretty much it for the basics on the bottom. The other options that's available is under the settings here. Let's see if, come on, load. Yeah. Well then, well, I guess I'll have to show you this part in a future video. For some reason, it doesn't want to load. Odd. Oh, hey, come back here. When I launched Dropbox the second time, it's asking me for notifications. If you're familiar with your phone, you'll know that most apps allow us for notifications, so you can allow or not allow it, and that's any alerts and stuff that you get. I'm just going to choose not allow. Let's see if it lets me into the settings now. Weird. Well, I guess this will end up being a future video. I'm not sure why it's not letting me do this. Let me just close down the app and launch it again. Maybe if we'll be lucky enough to get in there this time. Oh, yay, awesome. Not sure what happened the first time, but well, we're in there now. So, all right. So when you go into the settings here, you'll have the options for your email, which shows you what email address you've currently linked to it. Your space used. So right now I'm using 0.1% of my 2 gigs. Connect to a computer. This allows me to link a computer to my Dropbox. Don't really need to do that. Upgrade your Dropbox. That's if you want to get more space. Camera uploads. That's the primary purpose on why I have Dropbox installed on my phone, other than being able to access some of the files, which I can just do on their web interface anyway through my phone. The camera upload is what I like. If you go into camera upload, you have the option to turn it on. It wants access to your photos, and then you can say upload videos, use cell data. So if you say no, it will only upload it when you're on your Wi-Fi. Upload videos will upload your pictures and your videos. And background uploading is what I this is the option I prefer as well. This means as soon as I walk into my house, the phone will start uploading the pictures in the background. I don't have to launch Dropbox every time I want to upload pictures. It just happens for me without me even giving it a second thought. So I highly recommend it. You want to turn on camera uploads to upload your pictures, choose to upload videos or not. If you have lots of cell data, it's up to you. If you don't, then leave it off so that it only uses your Wi-Fi on your home network. And background upgrading, definitely recommend turning that on so that when you walk in your house, your phone just uploads the pictures for you. You don't have to launch the app every single time. Passcode lock, that's obviously you can set up a password so that every time you launch Dropbox, it asks you for a password. It's good if you are concerned with someone picking up your phone, having access to those files on there. Then you got your help, your legal privacy app version, your clear search history. You tell friends about Dropbox. Don't forget, if you tell people about Dropbox, you get an extra 500 megs per person you refer. Send feedback and then sign out of Dropbox. So that's it. That's the oops. No, I'm showing off my homebrew. Stop that, stop that, stop that, stop that, stop that. Camera uploads off. Didn't want to upload my pictures just yet. In case you were wondering, yes, I make homebrew. And yes, it was overflowing. Well, that's it. Have a great day, and don't forget to comment below if you have any questions regarding the app. And I look forward to hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.